Walk over there. Like, go by the refrigerator. And move it to the right. Move it to right there.
Ah!
Where? Move it a little bit more. To the left a little. To the left. Over here. No, that's too heavy. I'm not standing right now. And move it, face it towards away from us. Okay, that's good. Dang, that thing got big. That thing got huge. It's not to hit this way.
Why has it not exploded yet?
I don't know, you might have to wait.
What's that for?
No, this
Why is it not working?
It might need time.
Where's that BB gun? Do you still have that BB
We
gun?
don't have any BBs for it.
No!
Really? Y'all threw them away?
We threw them away.
Yeah.
Throw something at it.
Dude, if something happens, I don't catch it. But I won't catch anything that's farther away from it. So you can still record it.
Do we have anything to throw?